Luigi Mangione, the man accused of killing the United Healthcare CEO last December, appeared in court today. His attorneys requested the hearing in an effort to get key evidence removed from the case. NTD's Arlene Richards has more.
Luigi Mangione, 27, entered a state court in Manhattan on Monday wearing a gray suit and button-down shirt rather than a prison uniform. Court officers removed his handcuffs to allow him to take notes. He's the man accused of shooting a United Healthcar CEO last December. His attorneys were attempting to get key evidence excluded from the case, arguing that they were seized unlawfully. Police had taken items from Mangione's backpack during the arrest. Items found include a notebook, a silencer, and a 3D printed handgun that prosecutors say connect Mangione to the killing. The notebook contains writings that the district attorney's office has said show how Mangione allegedly plotted the attack. For example, prosecutor filings state the notebook says, quote, "The target is insurance. It checks every box." Mangione's attorneys argue the items were obtained without a search warrant and therefore they should be excluded from trial. During the hearing on Monday, prosecutors began calling witnesses involved in the search and subsequent arrest of Mangione. A sergeant at the New York Public Information Office testified that he dispersed information to several media outlets and social media as requested by investigators who wanted help from the public in locating the potential shooter. The prosecution showed video clips of the shooting as well as several photographs that depict a man who may be Mangione. Other witnesses testified about downloading surveillance video from the Altoona, Pennsylvania McDonald's where Mangione was arrested. The witness turned over the footage to police after Mangione's arrest. Meanwhile, an emergency services coordinator testified about a dispatch call from Altoona police to check an ID provided by Mangione, which later was determined to be fake. Other witnesses were called in the afternoon, including a Pennsylvania corrections officer who was assigned to monitor Mangione. Some protesters were outside the courthouse with signs calling for Mangione's release. Other supporters watched from the back of the courtroom. Mangione faces state and federal charges. The state charges carry the possibility of life in prison. Federal prosecutors are seeking the death penalty. Neither trial has been scheduled yet. The evidence hearing in the state case is expected to continue for the next few days, while the next hearing date in the federal case is January 9th. Arlene Richards, NTD News.